Good afternoon, my friends. Brandon Steckler, technical editor of Motor Age magazine. And I am really excited, I got to tell you, because right in my own backyard, here in the Philadelphia area, MidAtlantic Auto Carolinas is hosting the Super Saturday 2023 event just outside the city of Philadelphia. It's right on Friday and Saturday, November 10th and 11th. We are having a phenomenal event going on with some of the best training instructors in the country, both technical and management training. They're even going to let me teach there as well, which is great. There's going to be a meet and greet. There's going to be a free Section 609 AC certification training. There's going to be case studies presented by NASTEF, along with, again, training from the best technical instructors and management instructors in the country. So anybody that says there's no good training in Philly, you're wrong. You just got to get registered. So visit the link below, get yourself registered, and I'll see you there.